Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for download this script and script link in my description box. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you not join base binary option broker account, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, and some people says this is Sam trading tips. Yes, absolutely right. This is not Sam trading tips. Some video is Sam trading tips. This video is not Sam trading tips. It's with my own strategy, own script. Okay, so let's see the result. Is a script down result, down script signal by down. I have placed down trade and market should be down, but not down, is up, but my entry point is down. Okay, so let's start trading with this script and indicator. And this is not Sam trading tips and AM trading tips. This is my own strategy. Okay, and if you download this strategy, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay, so let's start trading with this script.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.